Hello everyone, and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. Today I'm going to show you how you can change your account password on the Octa Trading app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Octa Trading app on your device. And once you are taken into your dashboard, tap on the menu icon at the top left corner and you will see the gear icon. However, there is no option within here that allows you to change your account password. So tap on the logout button, which will now log you out from your account. Then tap on continue with email and then tap on login. You will then see the forgot password button. Go ahead and tap on it and then enter the email address that you used while signing up for your account. Then tap on continue and now you will be told to check your email. So check your inbox and then you will see the reset password button. Go ahead and tap on it and now you will be allowed to enter your new password. Just type in your desired password and then type it in once again for confirmation. You can then tap on the submit button and now you will end up back into the login page, which means your account password has been changed. You can now use your new password to log into your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your account password on the Octa Trading app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.